going on, everybody? Welcome back to Relentless Shine. Another busy one for us. So we've got a Audi of Dominion RSQ something. It's their biggest SUV they have. It's 600 horsepower, all-wheel drive, airlift suspension, all that great stuff. So we're doing a full front on it, which is going to be obviously all the paint, but like the black trim and whatnot, headlights and mirrors, full coverage there. And we've also got a brand new 718. We're doing a full front on it, and then we're doing a full tint with the exception of the front windshield. We're going to get some installation on both. We've already got the hood on it. That's why the emblem is removed, and one of the fenders is on it. You'll get to see the other fender and hopefully the bumper as well, is obviously including the mirror caps and whatnot. Porsche is a little bit different. We have to ceramic coat the headlights. They have a really weird top coat that if you put that film on there and years down the road you have to remove it, you're likely going to pull off that top layer of the headlight as well, which is an issue we can't have. So we just ceramic coat them, make sure they're easy to take care of, bugs and debris don't stick to them, and that's as far as we can go. But other than that, stay tuned. We're going to throw some film on these bad boys right here and get them knocked out. Alrighty guys, wrapping up the day here at the shop. Full front is installed on the Porsche. We've got to go around and make sure all the moisture is pushed out, all the edges are locked down and stuff like that, but that's going to be about 20 more minutes and this thing will be ready to be sent home. Again, it's a full front and Expel Fusion, so it's that ceramic coated super slick film. Nothing will stick to it, bugs, debris, whatever you experience, a lot easier to keep clean. If you guys are enjoying the videos, please give us a comment, a like, and a subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. More good content coming up.